In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Office Online on OneDrive. If you want a simple way to store your documents in the cloud and open them right from your browser, OneDrive makes that process very straightforward. It works especially well with Office files like Word documents, Excel workbooks, and PowerPoint presentations, so you can keep everything in one place and access it when you need it. To get started, open OneDrive and go to the My Files area. This is the main space where your personal files and folders are stored. Once you're there, take a quick look around so you can get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll manage uploaded documents and organize the files you want to use with Office Online. Next, look for the Create or Upload option near the top of the page. Click that and then choose Files Upload. This tells OneDrive that you want to add an existing file from your computer into your online storage. If you already have work saved locally, this is the easiest way to bring it into OneDrive so you can open and use it online. After selecting Files Upload, choose the type of file you want to work with. You can upload a Word document, an Excel workbook, or a PowerPoint presentation. These file types are designed to work smoothly with Office Online, which means once the upload is complete, you can usually open them directly in your browser without needing to install the desktop apps. When picking your file, make sure you choose the correct version, especially if you have multiple copies saved on your device. It's a good habit to double check the file name before uploading so you don't accidentally work on the wrong document. Once selected, OneDrive will begin uploading the file, and the time it takes may depend on the file size and your internet speed. After the file appears in My Files, it's ready to be used with Office Online. From there, you can open it and continue working in a browser-based version of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. This is useful when you're switching between devices or when you want your latest version saved in the cloud. A helpful tip is to keep your file names clear and organized so they're easier to find later. Even with just a few documents, staying organized from the start can save time. That's all it takes to begin working with Office Online on OneDrive. Once you've uploaded your file, you're ready to access, edit, and manage it more conveniently online.